Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. About a month ago, I made this video about Sonar Ping token. This is a very important update video about Ping token. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end if you are interested in new crypto gems. You can also check the previous video about Sonar Ping token. I will leave the link in the description box. Today I have a great news about this token. SonarPing will be listed on gate.io on 14th September. You can check the Twitter page of SonarPing. They have more than 8,500 followers, and look at this man. Binance CEO CJ is one of them. It is really very interesting, and I think SonarPing will be listed in Binance in near future. This is the tweet about exchange listing. SonarPing is already listed in PancakeSwap and JT Exchange. But Gate.io listing is more significant because Gate.io is one of the best exchanges. This is an important step on the roadmap. This listing will ensure to reach this project to more people. The price of SonarPing was just 0.004 when I made my first SonarPing video on 26th July. I told you about the potential of Ping token, and after few days, SonarPing price reached a new all-time high of 0.02585 on 16th August. It was a great upside move of this coin. Now the price is 0.01981. The price has already started to pump. It is more than 40% up after the listing news. Still, the price is 23% down from the all-time high. The price was just 0.6027 on July 18th, 2021, and now the price is more than 60 million% up. This is incredible. I think this is a real gem which can give you big profits in future. I also think the price of SonarPing is still undervalued, and if you are a long-term investor, you can buy it and hold it for big profits. So this is the update about SonarPing token. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before buy any token. That is all for now. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Stay well, stay tuned.